Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes. This is the really cool KRT Kawasaki Race Team Edition. Beautiful color scheme. 650 twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Beautiful condition, only 1,000 miles on this awesome Kawasaki Ninja 650. Come on by, make your twin sport bike dreams come true for just $76.99. Save all that freight and setup. It also has the engine guards from Kawasaki. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.